My name is Music Phill. I've been in the business for decades now, from record shop to radio disc jock. We are at Willie's Thatch Roof, and this is
Yardstyle Live. Yardstyle Live. Yardstyle Live. Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle Live.
Hey, this is Yardstyle Live, brought to you by
Willie's Thatch Roof, Kingston, Jamaica. Oasis in the city. Willie's Thatch Roof, Kingston, Jamaica.
Let's talk about Luciana the Messenger. He has been relevant from the days of Garnet Hill to Romain Virgo. Is Luciana the Messenger the king of reggae in this era? What are your thoughts?
I am Brams, and this segment is brought to you by
Time for our victory. Yeah, I saw a walk from Babylon, mash down Babylon. Yeah, for our victory.
This week's artist is Brams on Yardstyle Live. Brams.
blessed respect, you know?
Yeah.
Man, blessed respect.
me?
Honors and manners. Yeah.
Finally, somebody live off with me in a blazer. It's a good look still, you know?
You know, say the show me I watch, and me I say, John, you know, say, that person who do that interview, I never even call the name, because them time I never know the name so good. Me I say, you know, say, me have to go hard at that show, yeah, because I know normal something, you know. Me have to go see if me can win some of them female fans, them. You see me I say, yeah, because I see the cat them a comment and them a talk about things, even though some of them don't really want the real one for know what go on, you know. Yeah, but it a work.
I saw it go,
See me?
Brams. I
Yeah,
give you
man.
props today. It's shot.
Which is
Yeah,
right.
yeah, man.
Which is right.
Anyway, Brams, welcome to Yardstyle Live. As we saying at the Monica, yes, so we keep it real, yes, so we keep it clean.
Yeah.
Brams. How that name the far about?
All
Well,
right.
let me ask. Let me hear the
Yeah.
real name. Let me hear the real name. What they on your,
Bird paper.
yeah, upon the government sitting?
All
Maybe call
right.
it like something there. Them ask. What the name?
Ronald Smith.
Ronald.
Yeah, man. Ronald Smith, you know. Yeah, man. The name, you know, how the artist name forward, you know. Saying, you have two done with the a March Pen Road, right? Where it's like the two of them, one run up at the top and one run the next part. You see me I say? And it's like a unity thing going, one name Bam Bam and one name Boom. So it's like the two of them rate me as a little juvenile, because my old lady is a lady where when she cook food, she cook a whole heap of food. So every pit they come with them little basin and sitting and everybody
Shabba
can.
motherfucker.
Yeah, you see, you get the thing. So it's like them just have a rating to me as a young one this and them just go so bam and say, yo, you see you, Bram if you name me know. Because I always love the singing from Tracy Chapman days when Tracy Chapman I say sorry and them thing, them I sing and them sitting there and I collect 250 cents, because I don't know the $1 them, you know, so you can't give me it, you know, you have to change that, you know. And if you forward your son now, and me I sing, you have to go far if you don't have your 250 cents, because I who have a 50 cents me I sing for, you know. You see me? So it always a carrying the little bread to go give mama, because mama and me I push it in, you know.
Yeah, man.
You see me I say, yeah man, and this is the thing them.
From earlier collect feet, you know?
Yeah man, which is
So
right.
the name Brams now. Them two hygiene they gave the name there.
Yeah, and then growing up now, my family later I start search the web and sitting and get to see say what. Brams is one of the biggest music college in the world. So me I say what a better name. Can't get a better name than
Because
that.
your
Man.
real name, it just, that happened to a business
Real name a slave name, man. Everybody know
Yeah,
that.
the Babylon name.
You see me I say?
Ronald Smith.
Yeah man, a slave name. You know, white man name, but we are all black people.
know?
See me I say, a piece of land I want up a Maroon Town, because the only place where you can get a land where you can say your own. Everywhere else, you know where they're on the title, where they're on the title. Land older.
Yeah.
You see what I say? I don't want that now folder.
sir.
Yeah, man.
All right. So Brams, how did you get started in this music industry? You understand me?
All right, as me tell you, as a child, me there and I sing and I do all of my thing. I work at Coney Park with all chalice bands them. After just naturally people hear me sing and just say, put him on the stage. You understand? Well, getting older, Zane, I stay Sunday in high school and I say a competition where singer put on. Singer store, we sell furniture and them something there. And it live on the radio and it live on the TV as well, you see me? So me I pass from school and I see it go on.
Which school?
In the market, Osemati.
Okay.
You see me? Technical high school, you see it?
Yeah.
So you know, say, I see the thing I go on, you know, and I say, but wait, this I go on night town and I never know nothing about it. Luckily, a little vibes just go on like Father God say, youth, you for the pan show, you know, say me I go mash it up. You see me? Bam, I see Chuck Fender comes and call on. A youth with them call name Cutlass, so them did a bus them time there. You see me? Them time the Chuck Fender just a sign up with Phill element. You see me? And me say Jerry D Stace Obama run on the stage pan Cutlass like him I say, yo, you can't work, you know, and rate it and like Cutlass I say, yo, I'm my town, how you do? And the two of them short in the music Phil. So me see the two short man, them call up them one another and start push and bass sitting and mash up the whole show. Anyway, them put off the show and them I say, yeah, well, next week the show got to go on, you know, because the show bigger than only, you know, than one person, you know, you see me? So me there I for build a song and I say, John, every time I for build the song, something come up. Final day come in and I say, I have to go write this, you know. Because Obama write a song. When I reach out of the competition and I stay out a singer, I see what the Dan call me, because you know you're a musician and you just read. The Dan call you have to go. But me there and them say, yeah, well, I want a food. Go buy a food over there for me. That's how I keep to left. And I say, all right then. Let me go buy the food. You know say as I step off, so to how me I try study the song. It's a car, me nearly stepping in, you know, God. And the man have to grab me on my shoulder and just say, youth, what you do? And I say, a song me already. Man I say, yo, hold this. Go and go buy the food over there for him. Don't make him go away. Stay here, sir. Study your song. I go in here now and they make me sing about 3 lines out of the song and then pass me and say, Ray. Make you hear the song. Then pass me and say, Ray. And I say, all right. Bam. Call me up on stage now, you see me? And I say, perform. And I say, all right. I go take it, you know, because I have to take it home, you know. So I go to Bam and say, you think, I don't think you love singer. That's where I end up, because I end up building a song on spot, you know. You see me? So it's like, I say, you think you love singer, you think you love it like me, and me a shop, no singer from me idea, I'm a knee. You think you love singer, you think you love it like me, and me a shop, no singer from me idea, I'm a knee. Singer give him the pillar for me and Pamela, catch her on the bamboo rim, she started to shiver. If I never sing a man, I wouldn't be a winner. For the change when me buy a pressure cooker, I eat, me use and cook all my dinner. That's why Brams are for rate price master. And in the ear from your rate back singer, think you love singer, think you love it like me, and me a shop, no singer from me idea. You see me? Bust the place because them have A side, them have B side and C side. So it's like to a radio thing, them a say, if you're not going with nothing, say fall, rain, fall. If you are going with something, say shine, sun, shine. You see me? I say, so me there and bust the place and think, say I hit that car one song. Them tell me, you know, brother, I never know, say Jerry D have 2 artists round there with 40 songs. So them call me up and I want 3 hours left on the stage. So them say, here we go on, you know. You have to go sing a next song. I'm afraid I know as a juvenile, you know, because I tell you how them artists me are going, you know. You see me, I say, what me can do? But Scala Lee did have a song. Yeah. You see me when I say, like him that say, chun chun, cutting a toe, you know. And I say, everybody think of Zebra. So choose Zebra, Spanish town artist, and him hot them time there. I say, me know say no Zebra still, you know, but me I use the craft. So me say, I have to do a song after this. You see me? So when I'm my time, I wait until 3rd for work and I build my song on stage, you know. You see me? So I go to Bam and I say, sing a price cutting a two. Half for me and half for yourself. Sing a get wet, no wrinkle, no screw. Just remember, sing a price cutting a thump the one Jerry D and I'm yeah, make it black and blue. I'm flicking glass off my face and the place bust up.
My bridges I forget burn, and this is my concern. And also yearn. Tired of people a betray we, and Jaja and hope say them hear we. Woman Delilah, man name a Judas, be a scare crew and pitchery. Tired of people a betray we, and Jaja and hope say them hear we. Woman Delilah, man name a Judas, be a scare crew and pitchery. no loyalty, no day again. All them do a watch the money where we spend. Can't tell which one of them are we a friend. This a new generation full up of pretense. This
I go on to the finals at Portmore. You see me, I say, well, you know, as a juvenile, you don't have no one around you to guide the thing.
Yeah.
Trying to get in touch after the contract and sitting, me get $10,000, me get a mini component set, Zane. Then them give me one contract, come if do one single, and if do one advertisement. Jerry D no do nothing more than hide me.
Right.
All me a call as a little juvenile now get you.
Where
And when
is
me see the
Where
tall
is he
man,
now?
and when me see the tall man we come third, me I watch me TV on CVM, so and when me look at him, me see I do the advertisement. Me I say, but no me for there, so. Jerry D gone with it, but that's why because me live to talk about it, you know. You see
Where
me?
is he now?
I don't know, you know.
All right.
Yeah, but you know, God go with him.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
On the road.
You do a heap of good work for other people, but you did sabotage Brams.
Well, that's why you're there on Yardstyle Live now, you know?
All right, from there, you know, me there, me I say, me don't know nothing about promotion, you know. So me just I say, every drum beat and every pan knock, me run go over there and say, yeah, me I go there go DJ, because here a bad producer go see me, and me I go boss, musically, you see it? So me there, me I say, all right, Sting. But you know, 2012, I go to Bama and go a Sting clash when Cartel and Quartet just kick off and something and them turn it in a I'm telling you what them call it them time there. It changed from the building to Club Rhythm.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So it's like, before I would over there, they ever brought them car, I go over there. You see me and say, all right, then here what? Go on in at the clash. First night I go in at the clash, we make the star. Kill about three dope me make. You see me I say?
Song now?
All right.
Can one hear what kill it up with them?
Them song there you don't know yourself, you keep it clean. I mean, even can clean up them song there. Be a shot of fire, be a bomber drop, be a dead people.
Right.
You see me I say? But me I make you hear some things still. You see me I say? You hear me I say? Tell them say not try, I make your mama cry, I. Tell your family bye, bye, bye. Our Brams will make you fly. Hi. Come me broad and big no Congo.
All right there, so.
You see me I say?
Yeah. You know we are going to edit that part.
Which is right. You know, and you make shot fire, man. Me tell you enough for draft for the gun them, you know, because we come to keep it clean. You see me I say? Yeah, man, that's the thing there.
Yeah, and so you basically just say anywhere there, any competition, I could have sing a quotes best by.
Yeah, man, me gone feet, man. Me gone feet.
So how you end up like on the Magnum thing?
All right,
Wait,
Magnum.
You didn't have a Rising Star though?
No, I never go Rising Star.
You
But I go a Magnum.
Okay.
You see me? Magnum, I forward a Magnum 2 years, right? And the 2 years I'm forward, every time I forward, I always reach the finals. But they never call me for the TV show.
I tell you.
So you see the third one, you know, I kind of get upset and me and say, yo, I'm not going away, you know. But one little voice just there in my ears, I say, brother, rain or storm, make sure you go over there, you know. You see me? So I go to Obama, you know, and draft for the umbrella car rain and fall, you know.
Yeah, man.
Late, me reach over there now, it's like them a tell me, say, yo, the little audition, the pre-audition part,
Gone.
cut off and rotate. So me tell them, say, yeah, what go on? I watch me I come from, you know, them time they just cross the road me there, you know.
Then have to tell them that, man.
You see, I watch me I come from, you know. You see me I say, and one bag of things go on, you know, anyway, the man make me sing a song and it's like him I said, that youth have talent, you know. I go bust you with ticket. The man carry out 3 tickets, come give me. Now you have 2 little warriors where they around and support me and I say, yeah man, I watch him forward from Pichu.
Yeah man.
And me I say,
Yeah, man.
them you tell me I bust with them 2 extra tickets when me get, you know. Hold this. You see me?
Them read the play, man.
Then them not read the play and I stay Sabama, I'm going to the audition, and come and sing, you know. I'm going to go Sabama and sing in there. When me a singing them, me hear me skitty ball out. When did they? When did they?
Which song you that sing?
Song when me I say, I not pretend to be no one else. I rather keep on being myself. If you're not pleased, then I can't help. What sense you have $1 million and you not have life to spend it? Mama want a grand and you tell her you can't lend it. You'd forgot to school to learn the golden rule. And as you turn your back, them pick up wrong tool. Little girl no get no belly, abstain and drink a jelly. My youth the gun no chucky, cause you might not so lucky. Things and time is so unfortunate. Juvenile no bad, I do not know where you will regret. So I now pretend to be no. Yeah, man.
Deep.
Kitty them I say, yo, it sound like it record when me done Kitty I say, yo, Jano, my skin no stubborn. A big goosebump upon my skin.
Yeah. Me touch the road in the early morning. So me you look and work for mine, me youth and me darling. And everywhere me go, one next one balling. Boss man, I say things slow and the business falling. Get stressed out and fed up of life. Check my brethren for reason and go level the vibes. I see for greet me with a 5 days coach. As me smoke the marijuana, get a 5 for chat. Me left out and me go head to the west. Cause there's a high grade sound, send them up the best. Get 3 pound for me selling a pound. Tight in a scandal, figure carry it home. Yeah, the first thing was a country bus. Coffee reach back a town, the hustling is a must. Heart and beat on my brain a bust. When me see this spot check, it's like my body no more.
Great energy. Big up Magnum Kings
Yeah,
and
man.
Queen of Dancehall. You see me I say? Yeah, man, you see it. Because we have to deal with, we have to endorse the greatness.
Yeah, man.
We not just endorse some little something where and bring down people and bring down things, because the greatness is there as well.
Right. So after the Magnum thing, after the Magnum, what did you do? Did it open any doors for you, or did you meet any person say, make a work?
Alright, that's why I tell you say you have a whole heap of benefits, because here we go on, you see, after Magnum, when we do the finals, I get a piece of food from them. You see me? Big up Mark Kenny.
Yeah, one
You
like a
see me?
severance.
Yeah.
Straight through the door. Who you walk up in now? Who were you introduced to? Who introduced themselves to you as a
Alright,
producer?
watch this now. Me stay Sabam and Daddy and release the non-pretend song. Zina, me Daddy and
but
do
the
some
member,
promotion.
Remember where said the not pretend song? I
Yeah.
didn't sing a while ago.
Yes.
Okay, I want to hear the new one.
Yeah, man, me release it, and when me release it, you know, it's like some people in Europe take on to the song. And of them now forward and come Sabam and say, here we go on, we're going to put on some, we'll line up a tour for you, and put on something for you for some promotion and them sign me. And you
What's
see
the
me?
name of this company?
Jamaica Creative Family.
Okay.
You understand? They are from France.
France,
You see me?
okay.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Father Marshall, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Miss Denise, big up yourself. You
Yeah,
see
man.
it? Yeah,
All
man.
of them
And the
out
whole
there,
France fraternity,
Big
big
up
up
on
on yourself.
yourself,
You
yeah.
see me? I say, whole of Europe. Yeah, man. You see me? Uncle Frost, DJ Uncle Frost, big up yourself, because you still play the song, them, and I rate and respect that. You see me? Yeah, man. So from there now, 2019, I get the tour.
Yeah.
When
Where you go?
Go to Europe, I there France, I go to Italy, I go to Spain, I go to Holland, I there
So
Germany.
what was it like being on a different stage in a different country now? You know, how did you prepare yourself mentally? Say, yo, me I got this and a singer, Magnum and them place. How did you prepare yourself mentally?
Alright, watch this now, I show you. I show you how the struggle and how you have to know where you want. When I reach Europe, I have one big sitting around me next day, so. And I say that can't tap me, you know. And I want to see plane.
All if have
Me want to see plane, food could have broke. Me
Yeah,
have to
up
over
going
there. You see me? So I go Sabah me
Determination.
now. Me I tell you about when me I go show. 6 hours per bus, 13 hours per train.
So when you go,
You
so
see me?
when you finally reach at the destination to perform now, we just want to know the mindset there. So.
Alright? The mindset right there, so, was try to get as much exposure as possible when we
So
can.
you alone did up on the stage or there were other artists?
There were other artists, you know, where I book with, you know, because there was a cruise with Lady G and something. There was a next show with me and Ayactane as well. You see me, I say, a portion of show, as me tell you, man.
So
Tell you,
how
man.
did Brams enter? You know, when the MC can say, next on stage out of Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica, we have Brams. When you hear the name of the band, and the band go, tang, tang. You reach on the stage. I just want to know right there, so now.
Alright, you see them time they know, them time they have a patch of ear right here, so we are red, gold and green, I represent.
To Jamaica.
You understand them,
yeah.
I say? Big man thing, red, gold and green. So you see from them see me, them see say, are the island boy this, you know?
All right. Because they
You
talk
hear me
about
tell
the
you?
island boy.
Yeah, man, are the island boy this, man, the real island boy. You hear me tell you? Yeah, man. Big up to island boy, no disrespect, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. One of them there you for forward on the show. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
So when you go up on stage now, which song did you perform, and you know, how was the crowd's reaction?
Well, I perform Nah Pretend. I say, I perform one song when I say, when I say Real Rasta. You see me?
Go. Don't tell me. Sing
When
it.
some dready I go do when the people find out. Say that them a flick the jerk pork in a mouth. Boy have him nose in a piggy, rancid pork, him just not dashing it out. I know me tell the people and him need them a shake. I bet you say him sorry, say today him did wake. I beg you please lock the gate there, do it quickly just to make the pork eater get out. A music feel like a rise a vera. Bitters to the dready them out.
Yeah.
We can swear pon the Bible, say no pork no touch music, film out. So me say, Allah, ooh, no pork no fi buy, no show. How we have no and make me see the lighter. How music feel about no fire pon a pork eater. Yeah, man. You see me? I mean, I tell you, say the real Rasta them when know where I go and them love it like, wow. You see
And
me?
a couple of them will get burned as they pass.
History, man.
So the
a
tour,
history.
the tour was just like a self-searching, you know?
Which is right,
Yeah.
man. Which
So-
is right. And it make me get for know, say, some artists when me see a Jamaica, let me make sure I look in the camera when me attack. Una hype up on yourself and feel like una the biggest thing. And when me reach a Europe, me no hear no song I play. Me I tell you the truth. As some artists when me see a yard where we a walk past and not even a heel up. The man them cannot walk without security in a Europe. You hear me tell you, if uno go there, the people them a go walk past and like how we walk past the veteran them a yard.
Yeah,
you
man.
see me? So no for show respect. You see me? I
Yeah,
say?
man. Me like
show
that.
respect
Show
to the
respect.
veteran them. You see
Hard
me?
of merit.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
That's
man.
right there. You see me?
Yeah, man. So,
Which is right.
where is Brams now in this musical space now, 2023 going into 2024? What songs do you have for Brams now promoting, and what are your projections for next year?
All right, you see the difference now with 2019 going to 2023, 2024 right
Yeah.
now. Zane, here we are going with me now. I gather some experience with marketing because an artist have to gather that information there in order to help himself. You see me I say? Because no matter how your body, you know, it takes 4% in our talent enough for boss, you know.
True.
So you will have 96% of talent and true you don't have not 1% of marketing. Nobody don't see you. An artist have to try to gain knowledge from marketing.
True.
You see me I say? So that's now I try sit in and learn every little thing when I can learn. Now I'm going to tell you say I know everything, but I know some things. You see me? And it start work where I start market myself on the airwave. You understand? I start do some little interview thing and something. I start take some little write up in the paper and thing, you know, and then something there. And I start get some bookings, you know, where.
So
You
what
see me I
song
say?
are you running with now? Because you know Jamaica will also say run. Which song you are running with now? Where Brams are running
Alright.
with there now?
Now, you see what going on in the world music field. A peer betraying and them sitting there going. So me have a song with him, Betray. You see me? Big up yourself, Gassy Inc. Records, Fire Royal Records, big up yourself as well, you see me? For them production, you know, Fire Royal mix and master it, Gassy Inc. production and him.
And Brams are singing it now.
And Brams are singing it, you see
now.
me? Yeah, man. Tired of people a betray me, Jaja hope say them hear me. Woman Delilah, man them a Judas, be a scarecrow and pitchery.
Yeah, bad.
Bad,
Yeah,
which
man.
is right.
Can relate to that
And you
song,
sure bad. You hear me tell you?
And your blaze
yeah,
are
man.
bad.
Which
So,
is right.
second next to
You
God.
teach me, no? I want to you. Cool, no, man. Which is right.
Anyway, where can we find Brams on this musical platforms? You know, where we can
Alright,
find
watch you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Brams are Brams. Facebook. BRAMS. Space A space BRAMS.
Okay.
That's Facebook. You see me? Brams Music for Instagram. BRAMS MUSIC. Brams Music, right? That's for Instagram. It's Brams. BRAMS. Brams or Brams Music. You can find it also under that. For bookings,
Yeah.
you have the management, the contact is there as well. You see me, you can call 531-7667. That's 876, okay? Yeah, man.
All right, Brams, thanks for being a part of
Which is
Yardstyle
right.
Live and a whole heap of
Which
things
is
we're
right.
learning, you see me?
And I am telling you, thank you to be a part of this great show. You see me, I say,
You say that they don't do anything for you. And no anyone, girl. Being without you, girl, I don't want to imagine.
Hi guys, this is Liziana, and you're watching Yardstyle Live, and it's time to get your entertainment up to date. This week's Atta Road mixtapes are Big Food by DJ Kenny, New Money. Yeah, we have New Money. I'm gonna have any anime right now. But anyway, New Money by DJ Kenny. She Date Me by DJ Don Kingston. What She Want by DJ Don Kingston. Tree Face by DJ Kenny. This week's new releases are Firm and Strong by Omari, Statue of a Fool by Richie Steele, Shake by me, Louisiana. Shake, shake, shake. Firm and Strong, Yes by Janelle Mills. Paternity Frauds, Yes, Paternity Fraud by Seckles. One Love Christmas by Dreamer. Work for This by Briggy and Spragga Benz. This week's primetime showcase is Firm and Strong by Janelle Mills.
Jah love, Jah loves me. Jah, 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 Jah. Jah give me melody fi sing my song, and give me the courage in this life to stay strong. Me holding on, me holding strong. Holding on, me holding strong. The dirty tough and there's a raging storm. Nobody stress, I beg you hold the calm. Me holding on, me holding strong. Holding on, me holding strong. Love one like the message where I come from my lips. Word unto the wise, I beg you listen my script. Jah will never leave me when problems aggrieve me. Keep on believing, watch the blessings you receive. It's just the fire that burns within me.
This is Louisiana, and you can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Yes, I want to go check out Graphic Boss by Louisiana. I don't know the single. Bye, guys!
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle Live.
Hi, guys. This is Purple, and this is this week's Hot 5 Picks. Number 5, we have Time Bomb by Bounty Killer and The Sham. Number 4, we have Simma by Beanie Man. And our number 3 is Area 51 by Chronic Law. So for number 2, we're gonna go with Panton by Najiri. And for today's number 1 song is Rum Behavior by Kraft.
Pila, spliffia, feeder. Lord, mama says she can't hear it, son. Your body need and your bumper run. Turn your bumper run. Getting mad for me now. Head top for me now. Rock your back, sit down panny and rock for me now. Catch your foot in the ear, drop flat for me now.
So this is Purple, and that was our Hot 5 Picks for this week.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle Live.
Special thanks to my stylist, Jenny Smith. You can find her on Instagram at GodBlessJen876. Also, to my makeup artist, Chantel Smith. You can find her on Instagram at Shan's Beauty Room. Remember to like, share, subscribe Yardstyle Live on all digital platforms. Yardstyle Live. Yes, I will keep it real. Yes, I will keep it clean.
The latest, the hottest, the baddest, the maddest interview and review. Yo, Yardstyle Live. I must see me and me with that to home, see them find me. Yeah, don't did I expect the worst, so them no surprise me. Today I wanna do the right thing and me not care who no like me. See the hot cocoa, the man run up if you feel like you're mighty. The spring feel next day, never disappoint me. Some live my life, me I do what I want do. And with classes, me not argue.